Happy Monday! How are we doing today? Let's service some 5.4 Ford manifold. Okay, but before I surface them, I'm going to glass bead the surfaces. Those manifolds get like an impregnated kind of a glass ceramicness to them, and it just beat my belt up. So let's glass bead them. Goes in here. Here we are at the belt sander. Let's make them flat. Okay, here we go. Pretty warped. Let me check the other one. Here we go. Yep, this one's warped too. Let me put you on hyperline. Warp 9.5. Hang on to your lunch. See how we did. Let's see how they flow. There you go, they're nice and flat. That flow test is the most important part of the procedure. Hey, thanks for coming along, you guys. Come back and see me again. Look down here, there's a link to something. Enjoy your Monday. See you next time. Bye.